Hello and welcome to BNM Learning. Today we are going to learn how to import Oracle integration in JDevelop. For this, log into your OIC integration console and navigate to integrations. The integration what you want to import into JDeveloper, just export from the UI by clicking on this hamburger menu and selecting export. This will download .iar file in the directory what we have specified. Now switch to JDeveloper. I have created a service bus project over here. If people who don't know how to create a new application, so just click on new file, new application and select service bus application. Okay. On selecting OK, it will ask for the directory and the application name. Since I have already created an application, it's showing me over here. Now to import our Oracle integration.iar file in our service bus application, we need to create one project over here. And the project should be of service bus project type. Here I'm giving import OIC IAR file. Now what we have to do is click on file, click on import. Now in the options we have to select service bus resources. Click on OK. From this we need to select the zipped / archived resources and click on next. Click on this magnifier icon and select the .iar file from downloads. So we need to select .iar file type and select the .iar file what we have exported from our OIC console. Click on OK, click on next and done. Here we will be able to see all the files which are been zipped in .iar file what we have exported. The mapper what we had built in our previous video, that we can edit over here as well in GeoDeveloper. Basically all the files we can view using this JDeveloper tool. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe the channel.